Hey everybody, got the North 40 here. This is a doe walking up the North Trail. And coming up, we've got that same doe or a different doe walking up the same trail on the north side. Alright, big buck. That light caught his attention. Looks like a 6-pointer. We got a bobcat making a quick pass and a coyote checking out that camera going, I don't know. Then we got a couple of hunting dogs on the north boundary just looking around. You can see those collars, they're definitely tracking collars. And this next slide is of the large dog just running down, going east. I don't know what he's after. We've got the same dog over by the Olympic gate and that silly yellow lab. Just do-de-do. Where's my boys at? Too cute. All right. North 40 out.